John 14:27. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give unto you. Not as the world giveth, give I unto you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. Jesus is offering a peace that doesn't depend on circumstances, outcomes, human emotions, or feelings. It comes from His presence, His words, and His promises. When fear tries to rise or creeping thoughts, this verse calls you to anchor your heart in His peace, choosing trust over turmoil. The world's peace fades, but He steadies you even in the storm.